Question is about what are the duties and rights of a spouse. Please share. Jazakallah khair for that. And let me tell you, my brothers and sisters, alhamdulillah, I have a complete speech on, rights of the wife over the husband and rights of the husband over the wife. But briefly, alhamdulillah, the duty of the man is to look after four things. Look after the four things, that is food, clothes and shelter, and her modesty and chastity. So this is the responsibility of the man. Rasul ﷺ has explained to us that Ya ma'ashara shabab man istata'a minkum al-ba'ata falyatazawwaj fa innahu aghaddu lil-basar wa ahsanu lil-faraj faman lam yastati' fa alayhi bis-sawm fa innahu lahu wija. This one, it says that, oh youth, when you have the means to marry, then you should go for it, because it will lower your gaze and it will protect you from haram things. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks to the man that we have the means to look after. So the responsibility of the man is to look after the complete responsibility that man has to take care of, the responsibility of the woman, that she should not be worried about her house and her food and her clothes. This is the responsibility, and this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Quran, Ar-rijalu qawwamuna ala nisa, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the man as the establisher of the house upon the woman in the house, in the family. So it is the duty of the man to look after all those necessities and to fulfill the necessities of the wife, not extravagance. Like woman is always asking for beautiful and expensive lipsticks, makeups and all those adorning things which a person maybe, is not able to afford, and then it is demanded by the woman. That's not something part of the man's responsibility. The complete necessities of looking after the family, this is what Allah has put the responsibility. And with regards to the woman, Rasul ﷺ has said that if a woman have got 5 qualities in her, then she will be welcomed from the 7 doors of the Jannah. Subhanallah, she will be welcomed from the 7 doors of the Jannah. And it says that if she is fulfilling the rights of Allah, fulfilling the rights of her husband, and protects her modesty and chastity, and looks after the husband's wealth and property in his absence, and looks after the children of her husband. So if she does this, then she will be welcomed from the 7 doors of the Jannah on the day of judgment. For her 8 doors will be opened and she will be welcomed from that doors. Alhamdulillah. Barakallah.